Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get an amazing spicy app to your Firestick free of charge. And first of all, you gotta have the app code downloader on a Firestick. You can get downloader free of charge from the official Amazon App Store. Just go to search, open the search bar, and start typing downloader in here. And usually there's even no need to enter the whole name of the app, because as you can see, downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. You click on it, and here is this app, which you need to get to your device. But after you got downloader, it is not over yet, because you still have to set it up. So now in order to actually set up downloader, we'll go to the settings by clicking this button with a gear icon, then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Open it, and now in here what you have to do is turn on the developer options. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to keep the ADB debugging turned on, then go to install on apps, and in here all you have to do is locate downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's gonna allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we'll do right now. So now let's go back to the list of apps on your device. Here it is, let me open it. And there is the downloader, which we just got to the Fire Stick. But before actually using downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing, and it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in a VPN app is connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Austria right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is gonna be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you wanna stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video or in the description of this video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use downloader safely. And now we go back to the list of apps on your device. Here it is, let's open it. And let's head to downloader now. So open up the downloader application. And here in the search bar, we'll have to enter a code, which is gonna be 7665863. So once again, 7665863. 63. That is the whole code you have to enter. Then just click on Go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more content about Firesticks. And now the download of the app has started. Usually it doesn't take long. And after the download is finished, you have to click on Install and make sure to install the app to your device as well. That also usually takes between 5 and 10 seconds. And then don't click on Open yet. Instead, press on Done, as this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your Firestick. So just click on Delete and then delete once again. This way you will be able to save yourself some free space on a Firestick. And now if you go back to the list of apps on your device, which is right here, you'll open it, and here you will find this new application. So now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the Options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines, right next to the Home button on your remote. Just click on it and press on Move to Front. And this way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list. And therefore, it's gonna be way easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Just do not forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. And once again, you can use the link below this video to get 3 months of NordVPN for free. So enjoy it all and see you next time. Bye bye.